Okay, yesterday there was a strong sort of sandstorm, really. Not really sandstorm, but a strong wind. And it broke two of the branches here. Yeah. And it seems that our Kamote K over there is dying now. My gosh. I hope. And this one is, I planted this ginger. Look at this one. Oh, it needs to be watered. And this one is okra. We have a young okra here. Okay, what else? So it needs to be watered first. And we have orange cats. Hi cat. 1, 2, 3. Orange cats. And this is the best part. We started planting malunggay here. This is the front side. The back side is where the Kamote K. And check this out. Yes. We have 1, 2. Where's the other? This is orange. Not yet. Not ripened yet. Yeah. Couple of banana trees. No, banana is not a tree. Banana is a herb. This one. And you have here bananas straight to the chicken quarters. That's it.